that looks good. Hey! The Roborock Saros Z70 redefines what we expect from a robot vacuum with its groundbreaking OmniGrip robotic arm, which can identify and move small objects, offering the first real glimpse into multifunctional home robotics. It features a slim build for getting under furniture, an automatic mop attachment system for seamless transitions between hard floors and carpets, and a built-in LED light for improved visibility in darker areas. The Z70 also includes fast charging, a sleek glass station, hot water mop washing, automatic detergent dispensing, and exceptional mopping performance, all of which position it firmly in the premium tier of robot vacuums. However, there are notable limitations. The Z70 does not include the Duo Divide brush, which previously set Roborock apart in hair management. The robotic arm only recognizes a handful of objects and cannot yet be trained to detect other items like toys or cables. Additional attachments like hooks or scoops would expand its usefulness, but aren't currently available. The requirement to assign a bin location in the app may feel unnecessary, especially if users don't plan to utilize it. Other drawbacks include the lack of detergent in the box, no camera capture functions, subpar obstacle avoidance on carpets, and a station that shows fingerprints easily. Combined with the high price tag, those compromises may impact whether the Z70 is the right fit for your home. In short, the Roborock Saros Z70 is a bold leap in the future for home cleaning. For tech-forward users and early adopters, it offers innovation and utility few other vacuums can match. But potential buyers should weigh its novelty and premium performance against its first-gen limitations and high cost.